I checked out FreeSewing.org, and honestly, it's one of the more trustworthy open-source sewing platforms out there. But it may not be for everyone. The site provides customizable sewing patterns that you generate based on your own measurements. It's a cool concept, especially for people who struggle to find patterns that fit properly. The patterns are free, the source code is open, and everything is transparent. That alone makes it far more legit than most random sewing sites you see online. However, keep in mind that this platform is community-driven. The designs aren't always as polished or beginner-friendly as what you'd get from paid pattern companies. You need to be comfortable with printing, taping patterns together, and sometimes troubleshooting instructions that can feel a bit technical. If you're brand new to sewing, the learning curve might feel steep. User feedback is mostly positive, with people appreciating the customization options and the fact that it's completely free. Some users do mention occasional formatting issues or patterns that require a little tweaking. So is FreeSewing.org legit? Absolutely. It's not a scam, not a shady business. Just an open-source project created by and for makers.